Today we're going to discuss the real advantages to investing in a modular multi-head embroidery machine instead of a conventional multi-head machine. Let's compare using a 6-head Melco configuration versus a 6-head conventional multi-head machine. First, let's talk flexibility. A conventional embroidery machine comes as one long and extremely heavy machine, which limits where it can be placed. Ideally, a ground-level, concrete-floored building with about a 12 by 4 foot space to accommodate it. Melco machines, on the other hand, are individually about 160 pounds and can easily be carried by 2 people, so they can be put into a basement or an upper floor, and they can be arranged in a straight line, an arc, or any other combination or configuration. You could even place one head in a different room, for example your showroom, to demonstrate one-off customizations and personalizations for your customers. When it comes to service, the modular system is also advantageous. With a conventional multi-head machine, if one head goes down, your only option is to have a technician come to your site to service it, and while the machine is being serviced, you're not able to use the other heads until the technician is finished. If something serious, like a motor or other electronic component has a problem, all of your heads may be down until the machine is repaired. In general, on-site service calls can be more expensive, and the technician may or may not have all the parts with them that they need. With Melco machines, if one head goes down, it can be disconnected from the system and can be shipped or driven to a repair location, which can save you a lot of money, or if an on-site service call is needed, that head can be repaired separately while your other heads remain productive. With a conventional multi-head machine, all heads are driven off of shared components, so all 6 heads in this case can only sew the same design. If you need to embroider names or other customizations or smaller orders, the rest of your machine sits unproductive until that job is done. With Melco machines, each head is an individual, so you can sew the same design on all 6, or set one aside to sew names, or switch 2 over to sew hats, or any other combination. And you can do this on the fly, so you don't have to wait for one job to finish before starting the next. Now, with all of those differences set aside, let's look at the advantages for large-scale production and how seemingly small differences can add up.